In this video, I'll explain how we can add a function in our simple Java program. As you know that we have a public static void main function, or simply called the main function, which provides an entry point to our program. We'll write another function here, and this is a function which determines if an integer that is passed to the function is positive or not. So the name of the function is whether the integer is positive or not. The parameter passed is an integer. This function returns a Boolean value. Now that's what you've seen in processing so far. But of course, in Java, we're going to add that it's public and also that it is static. I'll explain static or the meaning of static over the coming weeks. So right now, don't worry about that. The algorithm is very simple. If the number is more than 0, yes, it's positive and therefore we return true. Otherwise, it's not positive and therefore we return false. In our main function, we can then call this function. Let's have some test. Let's say a is 7. We'll call the function is positive by passing the value a and display the outcome of the function. Similarly, I have integers b and c. b is 0 and c is -7, and we'll check if b and c are positive. So clearly the answer should be 7 is, so true, 0 isn't, so false, and -7 isn't, so false. We run this code and you can see true, false, and false. If I remove the static keyword from the isPositive function, you can see there are errors in my function invocations. This is because main is a static function, and main has to be a static function to be the entry point of a Java program. A static function may not call a non-static function, or at least not directly. That's why we insert the static keyword to our functions. We run this and the program works. Thank you.